Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting in the driver's seat with the Fortuner on and the infotainment screen live. First, tap Home, then open Settings and choose Bluetooth or Phone Settings. This brings up paired device lists. You're doing this now so you don't waste time searching later. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth remains discoverable briefly so the system refreshes the list. Once the paired devices appear, pause, identify the exact device name you want removed before moving to deletion steps to avoid accidental removals. Now you'll remove the connection. In the paired device list, tap the target device name. On some Fortuner units, you long press the entry to reveal, remove, or forget. Choose that option and confirm the prompt. This unpairs the car and phone. You'll see the device vanish from the infotainment list. Make sure to also open your phone's Bluetooth settings and delete the Fortuner profile to fully clear the bond. This two-sided removal prevents automatic repairing when both are in range later. Finish by confirming the device is gone from both the Fortuner and the phone. Power cycle the infotainment system if it still lists the device. Hold the power button or use the system reboot in settings. If removal fails, perform a Bluetooth settings reset on the head unit, but note this may clear other paired devices and presets. As a troubleshooting tip, restart your phone and clear its Bluetooth cache or forget the car there. This typically resolves ghost entries and prevents immediate repairing once.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.